Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So, yeah, message and energy check. Okay, so, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yeah, please do follow me on FB page. Yan, okay? Kung may tanong po pagdating sa private or personal reading, message lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, ngayon, by elements tayo dahil yes, alam nyo naman. Okay, kailangan nating kahit papano makapag-upload. Oo. Okay, so let's start. Air signs. Okay. Air signs, please please help me with timestamps. So, please someone help me. Okay. So, okay. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua, anong meron? The Eight of Wands in reverse, the Nine of Swords. Someone is overthinking about delaying. Or sa mga sabihin natin hindi magawa-gawa. May mga hindi magawa dahil sa pag-overthink ng iba. 'Di ba? Air sign. Oo, yeah. The Ten of Cups. Oh, pwedeng iba rito. Family ang ang dahilan kung bakit hindi magawa ang gusto. Yeah. Kaso yun nga lang, kailangan sumunod. Nakakuha ko ng energy rito ng mga bagets. Bagets. Okay. Or siguro, situation lang talaga na hindi magawa. Yung iba, pwedeng ayaw umalis, ayaw lumayo, dahil merong pwedeng may anak, ganyan, ayaw mawawala, yung mga ganan. So, I guess, maybe yung iba rito nga, pwedeng regarding ito sa travel or pag-work abroad, ganyan, someone is overthinking, or maybe ikaw. Okay? Meron ditong hindi makapagsabi ng totoong feelings, like, parang pinipilit na maging okay, pinipilit na maging masaya sa decision mo, like that. Yeah. Okay? What's with Eight of Wands in reverse? Four of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong like, pwedeng magkaroon ng arguments with family members, friends, relatives. Okay? Yung parang dapat pala hindi ko na sinabi yun. Mga ganun. So, maybe, kung sa tingin ninyo may isang sitwasyon na parang lumalagablab na, so, siguro, iwasan nyo. Kasi pwedeng magkaroon ng arguments, pwedeng magkaroon ng tampuhan. Okay? Sa circle nyo. Okay? So, there. Nine of Swords. The Three of... Anong pinag-overthink nyo? Anong hinihintay? Some of you, meron ditong fire sign na hinihintay ka. Like, message mo siya. Kasi hindi sila nagme-message sa'yo. I don't know. Maybe they're like, parang nag-aalala. Like that. Okay? I don't know why, kung bakit hindi sila makapag-message sa'yo. Okay? They're waiting. Ten of Cups, please. And again, the Five of Swords in reverse. Anything na issue regarding family, mariresolve. Okay? Mariresolve in the next 20, I don't know. Meron akong narinig na 20 days. Mga ganyan. Sana hindi 20 years. No? Oo. So, yeah, may mariresolve na issue. Yep. Yeah. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng mabigyan ng kasagutan. Mga issue, katanungan mo. Iba rito, ikakasal ka ba? Like that. Masasagot. Okay, masasagot at masasagot. Mabibigyan ng kalinawan. Yeah. Okay? I don't know how. Yeah. Sa ngayon, wala pa. Okay, sa ngayon, some of you, kailangan nyo muna mag-focus pagdating sa career, kaperahan. Yan. Okay? Meron ditong gustong mag-abot ng peace offering, like that. Okay? Yeah. Well, okay. Next is fire sign. Okay, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Paki-help po ako sa timestamps, ha? Thank you. Okay. So, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, anong message for you? Okay. The moon in reverse. Secrets. May mari-reveal na mga secrets. Someone will express kung ano mang i-express nila. Out of some of you makakaalis na or makakalabas na sa confusion, like that. May mga masasagot. Yan. May malalaman. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. The Nine of Swords. Regarding kaperahan, okay, parang yung iba rito, no, nakakita ko dito ng parang, akala mo bibigyan ka or akala mo magiging responsible sila, like that. Pero I don't know, pwedeng hindi, na magkakos rin ng disappointments. Someone wants to parang makipag-ayos, pero hindi nila kaya. They're like natatakot, overthinking. Yeah. May tao rin dito na pwedeng nag-aalala, like hindi na kaya ako kailangan ni fire sign, lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan. Yeah, someone is thinking. Pero may tao rin gusto makipag-usap sa'yo, gustong mag-express ng something, pero they're like afraid. Hindi sila maging responsible, like that. Okay? What's with the moon in reverse? The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Check nyo po yung number 999, angel number 999. Okay, there's something na message pa. Another message from universe. Angel number 999. Okay, in general po, ha? Yeah, I think meron talagang gustong mag-open up sa'yo, fire sign. Okay? Pero I think ang tingin nila sa'yo is you're like guarded. Okay? Guarded. So, para silang natatakot. Pwede kasing iniisip nila, baka i-reject mo, baka hindi mo sila pansinin. Like that. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, strength. Someone is like nababahagang buntot pagdating sa mga responsibilities. Yeah. Some of you, this is like work related. Okay? Pwedeng yung iba rito maghahanap ng ibang work. May naririnig ako dito ng nagtatanong, huy, baka naman may alam kang ibang pwedeng pag-applyan. Like that. Huy, baka may alam kang mas maganda, mas mataas ang sahudan. Like that. yung parang hindi pa rin maging okay kung ano mang work kayo, kung anong mang work meron kayo, like that. Kasi, yung iba rito parang nakakatamad na or pwedeng hindi na rin talaga totally nakakatulong. Okay? Yung work. Yeah. 9 of Swords, please. 7, yes. May natatakot dahil baka ma-reject. This is communication. Fire sign. Baka i-reject ako. Iisipin ko na lang. Mga ganun. Marami akong gustong sabihin sa kanya, pero nakakatakot. Like that. Ano kaya mangyayari? Sasagot kaya siya? Mga ganyan. Oh no. Pwede kasi yung iba rito is, I don't know kung ikaw or another person, meron ditong energy na parang hindi seryoso. Okay? Even though gustong kausapin, pero ang nasa isip is baka laruin lang. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Opening up like that. Kaso natatakot. Okay? So, there. Next is water sign. Okay. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Timestamp, please. Paki-help. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong meron? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. The Knight of Swords in reverse. Meron ditong mother na sobrang na overprotective. Oo. The Two of Cups. May natatakot na maging open pagdating sa relationship. Cancer. Ay, Cancer. Bakit Cancer? Maybe Cancer. Yeah. Someone is like may nakakaramdam pa rin ng strong connection with an air sign and earth sign. Okay. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, please. The Wheel of Fortune. In general, may mga pagbabago patungkol sa health style. Oo. Parang magiging healthy living na yung iba. Okay? Yeah, may mag-e-end para magkaroon ng mas okay. Like that. Some of you, this is like health or sa wealth, no? Focusing. Making healthy boundaries. Yan. Sa iba. Hindi lahat aakrahan. Like that. Okay. In general, there is changes pagdating sa sarili, pagdating sa status mo. Yeah. Knight of Swords, please, universe. Ano to? The Judgment. Oh. Ito, water sign na. Lahat ng hindi nangyari sa'yo, lahat ng mga pangarap na hindi mo nakuha, kahit pinaghirapan mo, I think, hindi na ibibigay ni universe dahil hindi pa ito yung right timing. Okay? An offer, parating na in the near future. Okay? So, this is like, mangyayari lang yung mga gusto mo kapag tama na yung timing. Okay? Sa ngayon, hindi pa. Okay? What's with the Two of Cups? There's an offer. Yeah. See? An offer. I don't know kung ano to. Some of you makakuha ng letter or message regarding sa I don't know, kapag nangyari to, lahat magbabago eh. Okay, lahat. In general. Dahil, right timing. Okay? Sa ngayon, kahit anong gawin mo, may mga situation talaga na parang hindi magtugma, hindi maging okay, lahat failed. Mga ganun. Kasi hindi ito yung tamang timing. Okay? So, huwag ka mag-alala in the near future. Okay? Kahit hindi mo hingin, ibibigay sa'yo. Kung ano man yun, in general, I don't know. Magbabago. 360 degrees. Kung anong meron ka sa ngayon, pagdating ng future, 360 degrees ang pagbabago. Okay? So, there. Some of you, someone will say sorry in the near future. May mga closure ako nakikita rito. Okay? So, next is Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong meron for Earth signs? Ay, makatila ako yung alaga ko. Narinig nyo? Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong message? The Chariot in reverse. Someone is hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. A Cancer sign. And okay. In general, there is delay. Okay, delay. Yeah. The Two of Wands, there is waiting. Someone is waiting. Yeah, na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos. Okay? Oh, yeah, see? Meron ditong naghihintay ng opportunity na ikaw ay mag-open ng door for them. Yes. Okay, what's with the Chariot in reverse? Nagiging burden na. Kung hindi mo sila pinapansin, kung wala kayong communication with them, ang hirap. Yan. Okay? Ang hirap daw. Yeah, they miss you. Someone is missing you. Yep. Fire sign, Cancer, air sign, and the water sign. Yung hindi pagkakaroon ng kaayusan sa inyong dalawa, ayun yung nagpapabigat sa kanyang damdamin. Yes. O diba, galing emergency room to kahapon, kagabi. Okay. So, Two of Wands. Ano to? What's with the Two of Wands? Ay, oo. So, meron ditong someone na parang nasa crossroads, thinking, confused, ganyan. Pwedeng, ang iniisip nila is, like, napatawad na kaya ako? Ano kaya kung lumapit ako? Ano kaya kung mag-message ako? Paano? Baka i-reject ako. Paano kung hindi niya pansinin yung message ko? Nakakahiya. Like that. Yeah. Temperance in reverse. Nagiging impatient na. Kung sino man to. Pwedeng Sagittarius. Okay? Hinihintay nila na sana magkaroon kayo ng peace. No? Yeah. Someone needs execution. Kung ano man yan, I don't know. Yeah. Overthinking causes delay. Okay? Overthinking causes delay. Delay causes failure. Okay? So, I don't know. Three of Swords in reverse. Oops. Yeah, the Moon. Someone is sobrang lungkot. Yeah, see? The Five of Pentacles. Ito yung parang sobrang needy nila sa'yo. sobrang kawawa sila sa situation. Someone is like, playing the victim. Yeah, they're juggling, but yeah, they're waiting. Merong gusto makipag-ayos sa'yo, earth sign. Okay, pero hindi lang nila magawa dahil nagdadalawang isip sila kung ano na bang meron sa iyo. Hindi nila alam, hindi sila maka-entry, hindi sila maka-move forward sa iyo dahil yun nga, wala na silang alam kung anong meron sa iyo. I don't know, maybe gusto kang kausapin like that. Okay? Or makipag-ayos. The Three of Swords in reverse. If someone ay parang hindi niya maipakita yung pagiging consistent, back and forth niya, yan, back and forth siya pagdating sa'yo, kung kakonect mo, there is someone in the mix. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Swords. Someone is talagang isip sa'yo, earth sign. Some of them, they're like praying. Iba rito, lumalabas na to sa panaginip mo, sa panaginip niya. Yes, may lumalabas sa panaginip. Tingnan ninyo kung anong meron sa panaginip nyo. Okay? Lalo na pertaining sa isang tao. Yes. Merong mga messages doon na makikita kayo. Yun yung parang sign, na hindi niya magawa. Tapos, parang yun, doon sa panaginip mo, yeah, this is something specific, okay? Hindi to para sa lahat. Okay? The Ace of Wands Universe, the Page of Wands Universe, this is like failed start. Okay? So, that's why, parang nahihirapan sila. What if ganito? What if ganyan? So, hindi nila magawa. Okay? Kung in general, ang dami lang pag-overthink. Ang dami lang pag-iisip. Kaya hindi ma-execute. Okay, kung ano man gustong gawin. So, hinahayaan lang. Okay, yaan ko na lang to. Yain na lang. Like that. Okay? So, yeah. There, yun po ang ating reading for all signs. So, diba? By elements. So, paki-help po tayo sa sa ating timestamps. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang ating reading sa ngayon. So, thank you.